Hey guy, question for HVAC specialists. So the gauge is actually connected to the low pressure. I'm using the 1040A refrigerant. Now they say the pressure is going from 200, which is equilibrium, down. And my observation is that when this pressure tries to go under 150 psi, then the compressor makes a weird noise. As a matter of fact, I see like a pressure peak discharge on the high pressure line, and this is my observation is. So this thing goes down and then rebounds at 150. So if you could provide any insights, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. So one more time. So pressure is going down a little bit. Yeah, pressure goes down, then start this whistling. Yeah, pressure starts going down, 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 and then around 155 makes this weird noise with a kick here.